Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are not building something from any particular series. I was trying to think of a prop that could kind of encompass a lot of different movies and games and stuff, and I kept coming back to one particular thing. In a lot of fantasy or role-playing games, they incorporate old books into the games or the movies, and I thought, why not make a book but make it look kind of old and distressed and neat, and on top of that make it something that I could store stuff in. So I am going to make a hide-a-book. Is that what they're called? Sure, we'll go with that. Just from inspiration from Pinterest and Google searches. Let's get to building. we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, fairly pleased with the way it turned out. There were some modifications I made to it last minute that I didn't really like necessarily. I didn't like the way the painted circles, my gems, looked, so I went ahead and sanded them out. That's where you saw me do that in the video. But I found these gemstones, that's what they're called, at the hobby store. They look like those geodes inside those rocks that kind of sparkle and have a lot of facets to them. I thought they looked cool and thought that they would go well with the color of the book. So let me know what you think about this in the comments. Maybe you'll try and make one of these books yourselves and impress your friends with your book building skills, so much so that they want one for their very own. Maybe you'll get some, yay! And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these, tell them, much props. I kind of want to see what's on page 20.